Hello students, how are you? I hope you are fine. You know what? Practice makes us perfect. जिस भी चीज में आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे आप उसमें डे बाय डे परफेक्ट बनते जाएंगे। ऐसे ही अगर आप अपनी राइटिंग को भी बेटर बनाना चाहते हैं तो आपको भी प्रैक्टिस करनी होगी। Whenever you will write, you may yourself find out that your writing will improve every day. So let us write some sentences to improve the handwriting. The question is, write 6 sentences about your favorite storybook character. Draw his or her picture. First of all, you will select your favorite storybook character and you will write 6 sentences about it. After that, आपको उसकी picture भी draw करनी है. Suppose your favorite storybook character is Cinderella. Actually, I am going to write about Cinderella, but you may write the sentences about your favorite storybook character. जैसे sentence number 1 will be, I have read so many books and I like them all. The second we will write, but Cinderella is my favorite character at all. The third sentence we may write, Cinderella is a simple girl. 4. She is the most beautiful girl. 5. She lives with her stepmother and her daughters. We have written 5 sentences. The one is left which we will write, her friends were animals. We have written all the 6 sentences. I have here written about Cinderella, but students, जो भी आपका फेवरेट स्टोरी बुक कैरेक्टर होगा, आप उसके बारे में सेंटेंसेस राइट कर सकते हैं। उसके बाद आपको उसकी पिक्चर भी ड्रॉ करनी होगी। Now we will move to another question. The question is, look carefully at the pictures. Read the outline. Now write a story in your own words. Give your story a title. First of all, look at the pictures carefully. After that, some outlines are given. You have to write a story based on that. Let's see the pictures. Here are 6 pictures. In the first picture, there is a boy who is sleeping and he is ill. In the second, he has gone to the doctor. In the third, he is eating healthy food. In the fourth picture, he is sleeping. And in the fifth picture, he is doing exercise. And in the last picture, he is sitting with his father and both are looking very happy. Now let's read the outlines. Daksh. Next, tired and ill. Father takes him to the doctor. Doctor asks him to rest, eat healthy. Daksh goes home, eats healthy food, sleeps for 8 hours daily, exercises and plays outdoors regularly, gets well soon. Daksh and father happy. ये थे हमारे आउटलाइंस। अब हम शुरू करेंगे स्टोरी को राइट करना। हमारा फर्स्ट आउटलाइन है दक्ष, तो उससे रिलेटेड सेंटेंस हम लिखेंगे, There was a boy named Daksh. For the second outline we will write, one day Daksh was feeling tired as he fell ill. Next is, his father became worried about him and took him to the doctor. Next outline is, doctor asked him to rest. और इससे हम सेंटेंस राइट करेंगे, The doctor examined him and asked him to take rest. Eat healthy is the next outline. और इससे हम सेंटेंस लिखेंगे, The doctor advised him to take healthy food. The next sentence will be, Daksh went to home and started taking care of his health. Eats healthy food से आप क्या सेंटेंस बना सकते हैं? हम सेंटेंस बना सकते हैं, He now started eating healthy food. Next, he now slept 8 hours daily. Next outline is, exercises and plays outdoors regularly. With the help of this हम सेंटेंस राइट करेंगे, Also he has started doing exercise and playing outdoor games daily. Next है gets well soon. और इससे हमारा सेंटेंस होगा, This helped him to get well soon. अब हमारा लास्ट की वर्ड है दक्ष एंड फादर हैप्पी, और इससे हमारा सेंटेंस बनेगा, Now he is completely well. So Daksh and his father became happy. तो ये थी हमारी स्टोरी, जिसे हमने आउटलाइन और पिक्चर्स के बेस पे पूरा किया। Let's understand the story once. There was a boy named Daksh. एक बॉय था जिसका नाम था दक्ष. One day Daksh was feeling tired as he fell ill. एक दिन दक्ष बहुत ही टायर्ड फील कर रहा था because he was ill. His father became worried. जब आप बीमार हो जाएंगे तो क्या आपके पेरेंट्स वरीड नहीं होंगे? Of course they will be. दक्ष के फादर भी उसके लिए वरीड हो गए and took him to the doctor. और फिर वो उसे डॉक्टर के पास ले गए. The doctor examined him and asked him to take rest. डॉक्टर ने दक्ष को एग्जामिन किया और उसे रेस्ट करने को कहा. The doctor advised him to take healthy food. डॉक्टर ने उसे हेल्दी फूड लेने को भी कहा. दक्ष went to home and started taking care of his health. फिर दक्ष अपने घर गया और उसने अपने हेल्थ पर ध्यान देना स्टार्ट किया. He now started eating healthy food. अब उसने क्या करना शुरू किया? हेल्दी फूड लेना शुरू किया. He now slept 8 hours daily. अब वो डेली 8 hours सोता था. Also he had started doing exercise and playing outdoor games daily. स्टूडेंट्स, पढ़ने और हेल्दी फूड खाने के साथ साथ खेलना भी बहुत जरूरी होता है. So he has started now doing exercises और वो अब डेली आउटडोर गेम्स भी खेलता था. This helped him to get well soon. इससे वो बहुत ही जल्दी ठीक हो गया. Now he is completely well और अब वो बिल्कुल ठीक है. So दक्ष और उसके फादर दोनों ही बहुत हैप्पी है. That's enough for today. Our content is complete. And in the homework, you will complete all this in a Grammar Plus book. Bye.